it up with your old shower doors? Want to invest in aesthetic enhancements? What? Our double sliding glass shower doors combine functionality and elegance. Precision installation, top quality materials with seamless integration for a perfect fit. Elevate bathroom aesthetics, boost home value, enjoy smooth operating shower doors. Mr. Handyman was professional, skillful, and delivered as promised. Happy customer. Don't delay, optimize your bathroom appearance. Dial 405-288-7662 now. Immediate bookings avail discounts. Hurry, dial 405-288-7662 now. We're committed to delivering standout, durable shower doors with impeccable service. Get your double sliding glass shower door now at Mr. Handyman. Enjoy aesthetic and functional enhancement. Dial 405-288-7662.